the plugs are, or the holes here. We've got stereo speakers. We have power input, which said it was 9 volts. We have earphone connection. That's a plug for a dongle. Looks like the Apple proprietary plug, doesn't it? I wonder if it's the same one. And then there is a micro SD card, so we can expand its internal storage. And it runs Google Android, so I wonder if it's charged or not. We'll try turning it on. I should also mention, sorry, that it says there's a mic microphone there. It's got menu and volume controls here, and a power switch there. Might as well take it out of its protective cover. Looks pretty good. Nothing on it. If I have a spare Apple sticker, I might be able to stick it on there and trick people it's an Apple. And there's a webcam at the top there. Alright, let's turn it on. Oh no, switch is at the top. Turn it on, the switch at the top. Okay, it's got a little light LED that's come on. Oh, there you go. And it says Android version 1.7.4. Now, while that's booting, let's put it to the side. See a progress bar. And it's going across like Ubuntu does. See that? Alright, it's pretty cool. Alright, so we've also got a little manual. Okay, so it's still booting. Oh, cool. It's finished starting up. There you go. That's awesome. I'll give you a good look at it later in a minute. We'll just finish opening the box. We've got a manual inside here, mid-sized computer, mini computer device, and it's got instructions here, good user guide here, all about its features, how to use it, the software. I'll have a read of this later. And we've got this phone bit here. Okay, so in the box underneath there, we've got this phone bit here. Okay, and then here we've got, looks like some packs for some maybe options that it didn't come with. There's some foam in there. Then in here we've got power adapter, which is 9 volts and 1.5 milliamps. And that's got the American plug on it, 100 to 240 volts AC, so that means it will work from America to Australia. And it came with this America to Australia, this international plug converter. So I can plug that in like that, and now it'll work. And that's the plug there. It looks kind of like the same size as an older Nokia one, or you might have a common one, another one sitting around to replace it with if you want. Okay. So, and then this is the dongle. This is the other thing that it comes with. And I was wondering whether or not this plug at the end would look exactly like the Apple Mac or the Apple iPod and iPhone and plugs, and it actually does look identical to me. So I'll have to grab one of the other proprietary Apple plugs and compare to see if it's the same plug. So good on them for using the Apple plug there. So I wonder if I can actually connect other Apple accessories to this fake iPad. Probably, I reckon I probably can. This connects in the side here, underneath. We'll just get the screen back, and there's the plug there. So plug that in there. Like that. And it's got Ethernet as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention that before. So I don't think you get that with a normal iPad, do you? I don't know. But Ethernet, so I can connect it into a normal network. You know, maybe you might want to do that for updating it or something like that. But it does have wireless, of course, and then there's 2 USB plugs here on the side. Okay? Alright, so here's the operating system. It's pretty amazing. And the battery was charged and everything. Alright, here we go. We've got the pad turned on. It's running off batteries. It says Android on it. It says the time. Not accurately, of course, though. Oh well, it's alright, I can update that. Press menu to unlock. Press menu twice, just like with the phones. It's running the same software as the Android phone, but just a newer version. This has 1.6 and this has 1.7.4. Okay, so on the desktop here, we've got my video, my music, my photos, my album, YouTube, file browser, Gmail, Market, which is the Android market, Google Talk, picture capture, Ethernet, Wi-Fi. Let's try the picture capture, which would be like the camera, I guess. Select delay time to capture the screen seconds. Oh, that's a screen capture. We've also got Ethernet, Wi-Fi settings, and gravity sensor. But it is a virtual desktop, and we can slide between the desktops there. That's really cool. So my video, let's click on that and see what happens. Okay, well you've got to have some videos in there. And we've got icons on the desktop that looks like mail, web browser. Let's open the web browser. Oh, well I've got to connect it, don't I? Might as well check out the Wi-Fi settings then. Wi-Fi networks in range. Okay, just took a second there. It's picked up my Wi-Fi network. Yay! And I've just got to put this in. Okay, yep, click into there and it brings up the keyboard. Sweet. Okay, I've popped the password in, so should be connected to it. It says obtaining address right there, and now it says connected. Good. So we're on the internet straight away, not a problem. My photo. Searching for photos, no photos found. And we can drag the top part down, remove SD card removed, insert new one. We've got buttons here, seem to do something. Oh, there's a button to rotate the screen. Rotate it back, please. Okay, I've got it back to normal. The screen looks really good. I don't know how good the camera's getting it. Maybe I should peel this top part off. Is there a protector? Oh, no, there isn't. It's actually not unscratched, to be honest. To get the apps up, We've got a button right here. It's very light on the screen. You press that and you get all the normal apps that you get. Oh, there's one here that says App Store. I just wonder if that's the normal Android one. Open that up. Please wait while loading. I don't know. Is that the normal one? Categories. Let's open that back up. Let's take a look at the camera that's built into it. How good the quality's on that. Please insert an SD card before using the camera. Oh, there you go. It is work. A tiny little card in there, so I'll use that. It says to insert it, so I'm just going to insert it while it's got this program open. I hope that's okay, and I think that's the way to insert it there. So, like that, I think. Yep, that's feeling right. Oh, had a bit of a problem getting it to connect. I need to make it click in, and it's not. What's going on there? Okay, you got to use your nail. Really got to use your nail on it. Pairing SD card, it says. There you go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? File browse. I wonder if I can browse to. Oh yeah, those are the files on the SD card. Oh, there's a menu button up here. You can press that. It might help sometimes. You press that and you get that menu there. Settings, hide, add things. Does the camera work now? Okay, camera seems to be working. Let's take a photo. It's taken it. Cool. Take another one. All right, they're taken. I guess you can look at the one you've taken too. Cool. Not bad. Got the market. Oh, Google signing. Cool, you need to sign into your Google account to get into the proper Android App Store, and you have to accept terms and conditions as well. Click accept, and here we go, got the market, Google Android market, yay! Loading. It's saying it's running out of power already. Cool, now it's charging. Screen goes off quickly. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the apps that it comes with by default before I've changed any of the settings. Alright, so now it's got my video, my music, and that'll show the music on there. I've stuck an SD card in there, micro SD, and that's why it's showing some stuff there. Photos, if you've got photos, but I don't have any yet. Magic Album is a really cool thing, see that? It's like to use on your desktop, so that's really cool, I love it. Alright, let's take a look at YouTube now. Bringing up the featured videos. We'll do a search, click into the search box, type in OzGUI and next, and then search. Because I can't play someone else's video for you, can I really? Alright, stuff going on. Okay, OzGUI Tech Show is coming up. Have a look, so let's give it a second so it loads the thumbnails for you. It's loading quite a few, you can scroll up and down. I selected one. Sorry, the video cannot be played. And what about featured? What about if we play one of these, just for test? No one's videos can be played. It didn't actually work. Who knows what's wrong with it? Is there settings in there? Press the menu button. No, fine. We've got a file browser. We can browse the files on the hard drive. It's got two internal and SD card, USB if you've got one. We've got Wi-Fi settings, of course, which we looked at before to connect to the network. We've got Ethernet settings for the dongle that it comes with. Google Talk is the Google Talk program, talking with your friends. It's popped up with my contacts there. The market, the Google Market, Android Market for installing a huge range of extra software. So might go to apps, go to downloads, see what it's already got. It's already got that in there. Google Maps, and there's an update available, see? So we can update Google Maps. Okay, and that'll update it now. Okay, it's added into the list and it will be downloaded and updated. We've also got Gmail. I signed into my account already, so it's popped up with my Gmail account. And we've got a gravity sensor settings, and that's what they've popped on the desktop. Oh, besides what's here, we've got an email icon, which is to set up your email for Hotmail, which I don't want to use. It's pointless. I'll get rid of that at some point. We've got the web browser icon, which should bring up a website. We might, let's go and access your location. Yep, that's fine. Now, might want to just type in here YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Got to test, find out if Flash works at least if YouTube works at least through the browser. There's the search button, search in there. In OzGUI. Alright, cool. The search results. Click on this one. Why I use Linux. Okay, so press play on that. The web page is not available. And we've got a map there. And calendar. Contacts that was syncing with my other phone. Alright, so we're on the desktop. We can click this button here to bring up all the apps. And in here we've got alarm clock. That's cool. That app store, which is the other one. Did I show you that? There's two on this for some reason. Maybe I have to install Flash or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, calendar. Yep, we looked at that. Camera. Yep, we looked at that, didn't we? The camera works on it, so that's cool. It's got a webcam. Gravity sensor settings. Email, Ethernet, Facebook app. Agree to the license. I don't want to log in right now. Okay, we've also got file browser. We looked at that. Free memory applet, which is like a task manager and free your hard drive, your space of unnecessary stuff. We've also got advanced settings, crazy and dangerous settings and processes. Gallery there, camera pictures, and let's have a look at all pictures here. Yeah, I thought this was a little bit scratched, and it looks like they've sent me back one that somebody else owned. There appears to be pictures of other people in this. From somewhere on the other side of the world. Let's have a look at the videos. It's got some videos in here too. Let's have a look at this. Holy moly, you can't believe it. That's bad. I can't believe it's got somebody else's stuff on it. Shows how good eBay sellers are. Might be why it's a bit screwed up then. Jules. I might have to flash the OS to make it newer. Something's happening. Oh, the device gets a bit warm right there. Okay, there's a Jules game. Normal mode. Cool. There you go. So that's pretty cool. I don't quite know what I'm supposed to do, but yay, a game. Ban game, yes. Get us out of here. Whatever. Dude, get back to the menu. Yes, exit. Alright, what else we got in that menu, in that App Store thing? Okay, Magic Album, we looked at that before, I think. Yep, that will be cool. Maps, doesn't seem to be using GPS, doesn't have GPS built in. Meebo IM, you can add accounts here, it supports all those ones, so that's cool. Little instant messenger. My music, okay, my photos, no photos found it says in there for some reason. Okay, my video, did that. Okay, so we've got picture capture, we looked at that. Package manager, let's have a look at the package manager. Alright, YouTube didn't work, so I wonder if what we can do about that. We click on that package. It says 1.1, it's got uninstall, but it doesn't have an update menu. What's this? WMT. Boot receiver. You can install extra ones. Cool. Got settings here. Look through the settings. We've got wireless controls, Wi-Fi settings, 3G network settings, if you've got that connected. Airplane mode. Alright, we've got Ethernet there. The back. Got PPPoE settings. Got that. We've got sound display settings. Back. Got data synchronization settings, security settings. We've got application, unknown sources, manage applications, card and storage devices. Can unmount the card, date and time settings, locale and text settings. What does this mean? Look, it's not in English. Select locale, English Australia. What is this one meaning? Asian settings maybe, I don't know. Search settings. About the device, let's take a look at that. I'm sure you want to know. Status, battery level, Wi-Fi MAC address, uptime, an hour now, battery use, display. Look, it shows you how much power each app is using of the battery. It's cool. Legal information, open source license and legal notice. Alright, memory size 256 megabytes. A lot of them only got 128. Model number generic. Firmware version 1.6. Kernel version 2.6.29. And build number 1.7.4. What was that? Oh, I got mail. Touchpad calibration. Done. Okay, that's all the settings. Alright, so was there anything else I missed that it comes with? Oh, we've got Skype beta here, it says. So, that's good. Skype legal terms, accept. Yep. Oh, and sign in. No worries, I'll do that later though. I don't want to do it.